Protect the scene. Call for help. Take care of the injured. Report the collision.
What should you do to protect the scene?
Get cars off the road if possible, warn other drivers. What should you do to take care of anyone who is injured? Try to make them as comfortable as possible and see if anyone has medical training.
What information should you get from the other driver involved in a crash?
Name, address, phone, driver's license, plate number, insurance company name, and phone number. Also, get the names and phone numbers of any witnesses.
Parking lot scenario, where there is damage to a vehicle in the parking lot and the car owner is not present.
Take a photo immediately of the damage to both vehicles. Call your insurance company to make the report. Your insurance company will contact the car owner's insurance company using the license plate info you will provide. You could leave a note with your insurance company's phone and the claim number your agent will give you. It might be best not to leave your personal phone number.
Regardless of who is at fault, if the car owner is present, exchange insurance information. If they refuse to show insurance info, you need to call 911. It's possible they do not have insurance. If they attempt to drive away, take a picture of their plate. Small dings can cost up to $1,000 to repair, so if there is visible damage, you'll want to document that.
Collision on public roadway. Pull over to the far right lane or shoulder, or move to a parking lot if you can. Ensure it's safe to leave your car before opening the door. If you have flares or similar road safety items, consider using them.
Check on all the other parties involved, including drivers, passengers, and pedestrians, to ensure no one is hurt. Call 911 if anyone may be injured. Even a seemingly minor symptom like dizziness should be checked out by a healthcare professional.
Call the police to the scene. Even in minor accidents, a police accident report can prove invaluable when dealing with your car insurance company and other drivers. If the police can't make it to the scene, which is more likely if there are no injuries, you can file an accident report through your state's DMV.
Gather info, driver and passenger names, license plate numbers, insurance info, makes and models of all vehicles involved, contact info for any eyewitnesses, location of the accident, the name and badge number of any responding police officers. Take photos of the accident scene. They'll come in handy during the claim process.
Give the police the facts. Provide honest, accurate facts and never argue about who was to blame. Do not admit fault. Stay at the scene until all information has been recorded.
Collisions with animals. If you kill or injure an animal, call the police or state highway patrol. Do not try to move an injured animal or leave an injured animal to die.
In all cases involving a collision, remember you must stop. Someone could be injured and need your help. If you do not stop, you may be convicted of hit and run and could be fined or jailed if a severe injury or fatality occurred and you left the scene.